This is the new Garage Boss 5-gallon press and pour gas can from Harbor Freight. Let's check it out. So what makes this thing better than your average gas can, like this old clunky guy? Let me show you. Although both of these gas cans are about 15 inches tall, you can see this one is a lot sleeker and a lot less bulky than this guy. So one of the things I really like about this gas can is that there's several ways to pour fuel. One of the ways is you just pop this cap off and pour right out of this nozzle. Or if you gotta get fuel out faster, you can pull this nozzle off and you have a much wider pouring spout right here. And of course this nozzle is vented, so you're gonna have nice smooth pours. It's not gonna gargle all over the place. Another thing I really like about this is your fuel valve is right here. You just take your thumb, push in and down, and you release the fuel. In and down, in and down, in and down, in and down. One thing I never liked about these old gas cans is you gotta twist it, and then you gotta get the lip on there, you gotta push the spring down to get fuel to come out. It can get messy. But with the Garage Boss gas can, it's super easy. Just get the nozzle in there, get your thumb on the button, push down and pour. And it pours nice and smooth. Just like that, nice and easy. And if you want to fill something up quickly and you want to pop this nozzle off and use the big nozzle, it's still nice and clean and easy. See, it's got a little lip on the end of the grip here. You just set it on the edge of your funnel, push down and push in, and you get a good flow of gas that comes out pretty fast. Now this thing is awesome if you have a small gas tank that you use gas oil mixture with. You just tilt it right in there, push the button in, and fill her up. No spills, no mess. Another really awesome feature about this is that you can actually turn the spout and it won't spill. Not sure where you'd have to do that. I don't know, maybe you gotta lean over in a weird position and pour gas somewhere, but you can do that. It turns all the way around and doesn't spill. Another really cool feature is right here where you fill it up. There's actually a stock filter right in there, so you can catch debris, rocks, toads, birds, anything that's trying to fly in there and gung up your fuel. Alright, well that's my review of the Garage Boss 5-gallon gas can from Harbor Freight. It'd be a lot cooler if it said Garage Gear instead of Garage Boss. JB, you know what I'm talking about. For 20 bucks, I think it's a pretty good deal. I'm happy with it, and I think it's a good buy if you're looking for a gas tank. Thanks for watching.